The mythical TR-3B is supposed to be the first alien reproduction vehicle created secretly by the military for space travel. The finest and brightest in the world of UFO studies and scary military aircraft examine the history of triangular UFO encounters and top-secret military aircraft. Officially, it does not exist, although it is still top secret. Enough information has escaped to suggest that it does not employ traditional turbine or rocket engine technology. It creates thrust utilizing high-energy plasma, which is a completely new idea in propulsion. It was not created by reverse engineering extraterrestrial spaceships. Since pre-World War II, there has been a lengthy history of early prototypes and progress. The government did not originate the UFO mythology. According to a leaked account about the government exploiting the UFO frenzy as a cover for their sophisticated aircraft development, it was simply hijacked and utilized for their own ends. It is most likely that it employs highly compressed mercury accelerated by nuclear energy to form a plasma that produces an anti-gravity field around the ship. Traditional thrusters at the craft's tips enable it to make all kinds of quick high-speed movements along all three axes. Surprisingly, the plasma produced considerably minimizes the radar signal. As a result, it will be nearly undetectable on radar. This essentially implies it can fly to any nation without being noticed by air traffic control or air defense systems. It is not a UFO if the vehicle exists. It would be produced by the US military, and would be designated as an aircraft, TR-3B. It just cannot be a UFO. A UFO is an unidentified flying object. TR-3Bs are also rumored to be anti-gravity aircraft. They are created by our nuclear physicists, aerospace engineers, technological specialists, and polymathematicians who use Einsteinian physics to accomplish artificial gravitation and Mach 25 speeds in some fashion. The triangular TR-3B was allegedly constructed under the aegis of the Air Force's, the secret top-secret Aurora program by the top-secret National Reconnaissance Office, NRO, and the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA. The TR-3B, codenamed Astra, is reported to employ highly pressurized mercury accelerated by nuclear energy to form a plasma that produces a field of anti-gravity surrounding the ship. Traditional thrusters at the craft's tips enable it to make all kinds of quick high-speed movements along all three axes.